And I invite you to join me view the video clips collected during the incident.
Good morning, Raul po. Ano pong, sir, give me anong plano.
Ano sir, salubungin lang namin sir.
Yung warrant, sir, si-serve
Hindi
nyo.
sir, may taga-PCTC, may Interpol.
Interpol.
Yes sir.
So kayo ang lead, sir?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Kumusta kasi, sir?
Hindi mo pwedeng...
Sige, sir.
Warrant. So, you will just have to pay. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal... I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you. That is a serious illegal detention.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte cries out illegal detention at Villamor Air Base after he was served an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court. The former president was arrested upon his arrival at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport on Tuesday, March 11. Duterte's arrest came amid a case before the International Criminal Court for alleged crimes against humanity during his administration's war on drugs.
For and against you in the court of law. And I want to ask you sir if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you were asking sir for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the same statute for murder, sir.
Buhay ko zero. Buhay ko zero.
Generally speaking, sabi na mag-prepare po kami, hindi na lang namin ang mga gamot na kailangan.
Sir, this is a police operation. Pwede ko naman sir, ulitin natin ulit sir ha. Sandali muna. Back to square one. Earlier this saying, I placed the former president under arrest.
Daniel, matanda pa.
The basic reason is for you to choose 3 people to accompany here. May bus dyan. And you will be for the hard way, charter flight.
Chartered flight from... So we need to know when we're bringing our president.
No, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give us information where we are near, where you are bringing.
Wala sa tigrig ko
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
hard way.
Just Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Attorney, you will go for
That's precisely the point that I'm saying. That's precisely the point. The right to counsel is something that has to be observed and respected. Tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Matanong nga. Kayo, nandito lang kayo lahat. Ikaw, tanungin kita, anong kasalanan ko?
Hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Ako maniwala ka, hihilain ko yan. Kakapag manas. Pero hihilain ko yan. Is that our intention?
You have to kill me to bring me to Hague.
Is that our intention?
Ang anak mo pupunta dito.
Yes sir, hindi pa pasukin sir.
Hindi ninyo, ikaw,
Yes sir.
hindi mo
Upon my orders.
Hindi mo pinapasok.
Yes sir, upon my orders sir.
Ang sabi ko, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae,
They can visit you at your detention center sir.
Hindi nila ako pinapapasok dito sa airbase. Nakiusap ako kung pwedeng makausap ko personal si former President Rodrigo Duterte para mabigyan ko siya ng instructions and then makabigay din siya ng instructions sa si General Marbil daw ang in charge ng buong Villamor Military Air Base. Saan ka ba naman nakahanap ng military air base na Chief PNP ang in charge at siya ang nagsasabi kung sino ang pwedeng pumasok at hindi pumasok.
But you are the second highest official dito sa ating bansa. Pero parang pamumulitika ba ito sa tingin niyo?
Alright, oo. Very much pamumulitika ito. Kahit ang ibang bansa nagsalita na.
Mabit ka namin.
Ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there, Secretary Amyong was there too, and the President and I.
Maraming salamat.